एक तो संजय होता था, क्या रहा तुम्हारा? ठीक हो? ठीक है, संजय का बेटा। Oh, very good. God bless you, dear. Thank you.
Right for all judicial officers of this district. Now, I would like to invite Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate
As High Court Judge, Lordship journey reflects dedication, integrity and distinction. From your busy schedule to grace this occasion, I also extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries, judicial officers, members of the bar down his road after decades of hard work, countless hours of service and legacy of justice. Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Parihar, Administrative Judge, District Riasi, we look forward to your words of wisdom and guidance which will undoubtedly entitle and inspire everyone present here.
इधर आइए ना।
आज हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स में हमारे बीच में हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट रियासी के एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जज श्री संजय परिहार साहब, जस्टिस परिहार साहब हमारे सब जज जहाँ रह के गए हैं, और जो हमारी उस टाइम की कोर्ट की मुश्किलात थी सर, मैं बोलूंगा कि उससे अब बढ़ गई हैं, क्योंकि एक तो बार की स्ट्रेंथ बहुत ज्यादा हो गई सर, और उसके साथ ही जहाँ पे कोर्ट्स भी कुछ और खुली हैं। तो मैं सर ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा ना कहता हुआ यही कहूंगा कि जो हमारा न्यू डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स बनना है उसका काम जो है आपके हाथों जल्दी से जल्द शुरू होना चाहिए। और साथ में सर हमारा जो जहाँ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट है इसके ऊपर सर बहुत बर्डन है, ये बार की भी डिमांड है और लोकल लोगों की भी डिमांड है कि यहाँ पे एक एडिशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशन जज साहब बैठने चाहिए। उसके साथ ही सर हमारा जो कंज्यूमर फोरम है वो हमारा जो उधमपुर के साथ इन्होंने रखा है, हमारे जितने भी केसेस हैं वो सारे उधमपुर में चलते हैं। तो जनाब मेरी ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि वहां पे जो बेंच बैठता है वो एटलीस्ट एक दिन हफ्ते के वीकली यहाँ पे एक दिन यहाँ बैठे, ताकि जो उकड़ा असरात की जो लोगों की जो परेशानी है वो दूर हो सके। तो मैं सर आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, क्योंकि आज हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशन जज साहब भी रिटायर हो रहे हैं, उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स भी जो यहाँ आए हैं उनका भी वेलकम करते हैं। और कार्टर साहब के लिए भी मैं ये कहूंगा कि वो एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन टेन्योर जो उनका यहाँ पे रहा है, बिल्कुल एक पारदर्शी तरीके से जिस तरीके से वो उन्होंने यहाँ काम किया है वो सराहने योग्य है, उसकी जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। मैं आज के इस रिटायरमेंट के दिन पर उनको ये बेस्ट विशेस देता हूँ कि उनका आने वाला जीवन बहुत अच्छा हो, वो हेल्थी रहें, वेल्थी रहें और अच्छे से उनका जो आने वाला जीवन है, और अभी भी उनकी सर्विसेज जो हैं अब वो हमें कहीं ना कहीं मिले। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your words. Now I would like to invite.
This occasion, Mr. Kartal has provided this illustrious occasion for us to meet and share our thoughts on his superannuation as district and session judge. I had fond memories of Riasi. I have served here, but still I see that it is just remained there for years. Nothing has improved thereafter. But there is change. That there are some chambers for lawyers, except that the whole infrastructure is as it is. So today is not the day for discussing these issues, because today my priority was to bid a warm farewell to Mr. Kartal. That is why I have been here. So we'll discuss the infrastructure issue. Mr. P.T. Singh had been repeatedly reminding me that, sir, as far as the district court complex is concerned, the project is hanging fire somewhere in the secretariat. Let us take that issue. That is in my mind. I know, because I have been here. I know how much hardships the bar, the litigants, the judicial officers are facing. But still, we have our own limitations. But we try our level best to cope up with the infrastructure. Now in Riyasi, we have a lot of judicial officers. Earlier we used to be only 3. Now we have more than 4 or 5. We have principal magistrate as well here. In Katra, we have 2 officers. Infrastructure is improving day by day, but the state has its own limitation as well. Starting with Mr. Kartal, you are very fortunate to have him here. A very illustrious officer. I have known him since years together, and very kind-hearted and dedicated officer who has served to the best of his ability wherever he was posted. What I was saying about Mr. Kartal, he did a commendable job. He has left a mark in this institution with his hard work. Wherever he went, he created a mark. And everybody is appreciating the way we all are here to bid farewell to him. That speaks of his integrity, his standing in the institution. So I, as an administrative judge, though I am younger to him, but I know how much legal acumen he has, and sometimes I used to have shared certain issues with him. And whenever we sit together and talk with the issues, and he will give his line of thinking in a way he would like. So this is how the judicial institution works. So once again, I thank you all for being here to bid farewell to Mr. Kartal. We wish him a very happy, peaceful and successful post-retirement. See, retirement is part of service. You are completing an inning here, you will be waiting, another inning may be waiting for you. God willing, nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. So we hope for the best, and his better half, Madam Poonam, is here. She has always been a very high moral support for Mr. Kartal, because Mr. Kartal has been most of the time working in peripheries, and credit goes to her that she has managed. So I also congratulated her that yes, Mr. Kartal is leaving an illustrious career, and I hope that we'll be in contact and we'll try to be in touch with him whenever we meet. So with these words, I once again thank you all, and सभी staff members का जो यहाँ पे हैं, पूरी bar members, बाकी जो litigants आए हैं, everybody who has been waiting for me since morning. So आप सब लोगों को तकलीफ देने के लिए मैं माजरत ख्वाह हूँ. With these words, I once again thank you all.